Hello there, Munofara here. Welcome to this video where we'll be teaching you how to use I will, he or she will, we will, and they will in Shona sentence construction. Join me. We're gonna start with I will. So I will, when we translate these two words or this phrase to Shona, it becomes the prefix. Take note, it becomes a prefix of a word, meaning it's not in Shona. It's I will. It's not a word standing on its own. It becomes a prefix. So I will becomes the prefix ndicha. Ndicha. So it means ndicha will be combined with whatever the word that we're going to combine with in order to construct our sentences. And usually I will is used in conjunction with a verb, mostly verb which are doing words. So let me give you some examples. I will come tomorrow. Come in Shona it's uya. Uya. Tomorrow in Shona it's mangwana. So I will come tomorrow becomes ndicha uya. So we have combined I will, which is ndicha in Shona, with come, which is uya. So we have combined it to become one word which says ndicha uya mangwana. Ndicha uya mangwana. Another example, I will bath in the afternoon. Bath it's geza. Afternoon it's masikati. Masikati. In the afternoon, when we translate this this phrase in the afternoon to Shona, it becomes one word kumasikati. So the sentence becomes ndicha geza kumasikati. So I will, which is ndicha, and then bath, which is geza. So we have combined it to become one word now. So I will bath has become ndicha geza kumasikati. Another example, I will see you tomorrow. See, it's kuona. Tomorrow, mangwana. In Shona, it becomes ndicha kuona mangwana. Ndicha kuona mangwana. I will, which is ndicha, we have combined it with see, which is kuona. So ndicha kuona mangwana. So you can see it's a phrase that you can reuse when you're constructing various Shona sentences. So I believe it's something that is worthwhile learning, and it will help you in your journey to be able to construct Shona sentences. So now we go to he or she will. So you can say he will or she will. So in Shona it's the same thing. There is no gender when it comes to he or she in Shona. So he will or she will translate to acha. 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 So it's a prefix as well. So he will or she will translate to the prefix acha. So you're gonna be combining whatever the verb that is used in conjunction with he will or she will with acha to formulate your Shona sentences. Yes, here are some examples. He will see you tomorrow or she will see you tomorrow. See, it's kuona. Tomorrow, it's mangwana. So it becomes acha kuona mangwana. Acha kuona mangwana. So acha just refers to it. There is no gender in it. So it just refers to a person, whether male or female. But in English, of course, there is he and she, which is gender based. It specifies the gender. But in Shona, it's acha, which is gender neutral. So he will or she will, she will see you tomorrow. Acha kuona mangwana. Another example, he will need your help or she will need your help. Need, it's kuda. Help, it's rubatiro. Your help, it's rubatsiro rwako. Your help, rubatsiro rwako. So you can say yo, it's represented by rwako. And if you translate the sentence, he will need you tomorrow or she will need you tomorrow in Shona, it becomes achada rubatsiro rwako. So here you can see the verb need, the ku has been dropped in order to combine these two. So achada rubatsiro rwako. Achada, acha, it's he will or she will. Need, we have dropped the ku here and combined it to say achada rubatsiro rwako. Going to we will, when we convert or translate it to Shona, it becomes the prefix teacher. So now you can see it's now referring to a group of people or to a plural, referring to a number of people, not only one person. So we will becomes the prefix teacher. Teacher. Example, we will talk in the evening. Talk in Shona, it's kutaura. Evening, it's maneru. In the evening, when we translate it to Shona, it becomes one word saying kumaneru. Kumaneru. So the sentence we will talk in the evening becomes tichataura kumaneru. Tichataura kumaneru. Take note here, the verb, we have dropped the prefix ku in order to combine we will with talk, in order to combine teacher and kutaura. So it became tichataura kumaneru. Tichataura kumaneru. So this is like we will talk. Tichataura. Another example, we will overcome it all. Overcome, kukurira. Kukurira in Shona. It all, it's zvose. It becomes one word in Shona. Zvose. So we will overcome it all becomes tichakurira zvose. You can see here as well, overcome, kukurira, we have dropped the ku here in order to combine it with teacher. So tichakurira in English becomes we will overcome. So we will overcome becomes one word, tichakurira zvose, it all. Tichakurira zvose. We will see when we arrive. Arrive, it's shika in Shona. See, it's ona or kuona. When we in Shona becomes paticha, becomes the word paticha. So if we translate this to Shona, it becomes tichaona, which means we will see. Tichaona, paticha shika. Paticha, that's when we. Shika, arrive. Tichaona, paticha shika. Tichaona, that's we will see. Okay, going to they will. They will is referring to a third party, meaning but it's also in plural form, to a third party or to a third group, a group of people that we are referring to. Okay, so they will, when we translate it to Shona, becomes the prefix vacha. 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 Here are some examples. They will come today. Come is uya. Today it's nasi. So when we translate they will come today, it becomes vacha uya nasi. Vacha uya nasi. They will come became one word, vacha uya, because they will is vacha, and uya, that's come. So vacha uya nasi. Vacha uya nasi. Another example, They will be arrested by the police. Arrested, sungwa. Police, mapurisa. Mapurisa, by the police. Nemapurisa. Nemapurisa. So by the police becomes one word. Nemapurisa. So they will be arrested by the police becomes vacha sungwa nemapurisa. Vacha, it's they will. Sungwa, it's arrested. Vacha sungwa nemapurisa, by the police. So nema, it's by the police. Nemapurisa. Vacha sungwa nemapurisa. Last example, they will regret it. They will regret it. Regret, in Shona, it's demba. Demba. Regret it becomes kuzvidemba. Kuzvidemba. So they will regret it in Shona. Vacha zvidemba. Vacha zvidemba. Vacha, they will regret it. Zvidemba, we have dropped the ku, you can notice here. So I think by now you can see the pattern. If the verb or the feeling that's being used in conjunction with either they will, I will, or we will, or he or she will, if it starts with a ku, usually when you combine with the prefix, you have to drop the ku. So here, vacha zvidemba. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. We have come to the end of it. And for the love of Shona, see you in the next one. Ndatenda.